Now, this is a question related to World Environment Day, right? So, this is a current affair because India is the global host for World Environment Day 2018, and that will take place on June 5th, 2018. So, India is the global host for 2018 World Environment Day. That's why it's a current affair, right? So, we need to know about World Environment Day. So, here the question is like this: with reference to World Environment Day, consider the following statements. First statement: observed annually on 5th June for encouraging worldwide awareness and action for the protection of our environment. Second, it was established by United Nations General Assembly to mark opening of United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in 1972. So these are the two statements they have given with regard to World Environment Day. So let us discuss what is this World Environment Day. Now this World Environment Day, it is hosted by United Nations General Assembly, right? So this World Environment Day is observed annually on 5th June. So we know the relevance of June 5th because we know that on this 5th June 1972 we have the Stockholm Conference, right? So in the memory of that, this United Nations General Assembly is celebrating, or they hosted this World Environment Day on 5th June. Every year or annually we are celebrating this World Environment Day on 5th June. So it is observed annually on 5th June for encouraging worldwide awareness and action for the protection of our environment. So it is a global day annually celebrating for the protection of environment, and it is hosted by, or it was established by United Nations General Assembly to mark the opening of United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in 1972. So that is also called as Stockholm Conference. We know that Stockholm is a place, right? Stockholm is a place in Sweden. So this meeting was held in Stockholm. So that's why it is also known as Stockholm Conference. The official name is United Nations Conference on the Human Environment, right? So that's why we call it as Stockholm Conference. Okay. So this Stockholm Conference is also considered as the Magna Carta of environment protection, right? That much relevance this conference is having. Okay. So in order to celebrate the memory of that, we are celebrating World Environment Day on that 5th June. So the first World Environment Day was observed in 1973. And since then it is being held every year with different themes. So this year the theme for World Environment Day is Beat Plastic Pollution. So why this a current affair is? World Environment Day 2018 is going to host by India, and the theme for that is Beat Plastic Pollution. So that's why this World Environment Day is relevant for us. Now this World Environment Day serves as a flagship campaign for raising awareness on emerging environmental issues from marine pollution, human overpopulation and global warming, and to sustainable consumption and wildlife crime. So all these are also dealt by World Environment Day. So these are the main points regarding World Environment Day. Okay, now let us look at the question. So World Environment Day observed annually on 5th June for encouraging worldwide awareness and action for the protection of environment. So this is the correct statement because this is celebrating annually on 5th June in memory of the Stockholm Conference. And for what? For encouraging the worldwide awareness and action for the protection of our environment. In order to aware the people regarding the importance of environment protection, we are celebrating World Environment Day on every year on June 5th. Then, so first statement is correct. Coming to second statement, it was established by United Nations General Assembly to mark opening of United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in 1972. So that's also correct because it is established by, or it is hosted by United Nations General Assembly. Okay, for what? In order to in order for the memory of this Stockholm Conference, or we can call it as United Nations Conference on the Human Environment, right? So these two statements are correct. So here the answer is C, both 1 and 2.